Morning, Eli. Let's go. I'm using this because Eli learns how to open all these two locks now. He learns very fast. Eli. Okay. Don't bite. Okay. You can bite a little bit, not too hard. Okay? No more. Let's go out, freefly. Let's go out, fly. It's around 5:30 in the morning. This is another everyday freefly. No, every week freefly. Let's go. We're going to Dampa today. It's pretty near, only 10 to 15 minutes driving. Okay, I like it a lot. Let's go. Time to set up the GPS. This is my freefly whistle. Very easy, small whistle, but very strong. And pocket link, antenna, magic wand. Open, yeah. And yeah, elevation 6. Keep on searching here. Turbo GPS and battery. Yeah, signal. Another turbo GPS, battery. Signal back, okay. Good. I use split ring to install the GPS on my bird's leg, training ring, but no one always biting on it. So I have to change the split ring all the time. I need to focus on that in case the GPS drop while he's flying. Okay, first one on Noah. Oh, no. Yeah?
How much?
Silver 4.6. It's a thick one or thin one? Oh!
Size.
I think it's around 800 something.
Do you have?
No. It's still on the way because 4.6 I don't have now. But 3.
It's Saturday, huh?
Where?
It's Saturday.
No, I don't have here. It's on the way. I have 3.8 in stock.
That's thinner.
A little bit thinner. It's actually
Shorter.
no, the same. 1 meter. It's just a little. Actually, I'll take it. You see it yourself. I can take also the 4.6 gold.
This one silver only.
Yeah, I mean, you compare the thickness yourself. Okay, Saturday. Morning. You wanna take or fly? I'll fly this way. Yeah, take your time. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, they're good.
Kahalik na Macau at ang Macau flying is Filipino.
Wow. I can't stop. I mean, every time see this kind of view. So great. Every time, so great. It's just simple joy. Oh, they're far away. No one's back? Noah's back. Who's back? Who's back? Noah's back. Oh yeah, good.
Yaluang. Kay Eric Salazar, ito yung mga ano paglaban. Tapos si Anthony, kaway ka naman Anthony.
Ah, Luffy is trying to. Oh, Luffy is trying to compete. Oh. Luffy is good. I think Luffy likes to play with Lubu. That's why he's attacking the other. Luffy is trying to attack other birds. Luffy is good. 你看到了吗？路飞在追那只金刚，他在围着金刚转，哎呦，简直太棒了 ！Yeah, it's good. I think Luffy wants to fly with Lubu. Yeah, that's why. Good. 真的棒，真的棒。给诺瓦喝水，等会儿，喝水，让他歇一会儿。哇，飞了好远。Luffy 和 Lubu 是另外一只绿翅，朋友的绿翅。That's not Luffy. Then who's that? It's not Luffy. Luffy's here. Then you bird? I saw Luffy. It's not. Luffy's here. Yeah, it's not my bird.